Hi, let's learn how to use filter option in Excel. I have pasted some information from a finance company. In column A, you can have telecolor's name. In column B, their respective bosses. In column C, number of calls they have made. And in column D, how many leads they have made. Okay. So, for example, Ashwini has done 101 calls, and out of 101, three customers are interested to buy a product from her. Similarly, Christian has made 300 calls, and out of 300, 8 customers are ready to buy a product from him. If I want to get a specific info out of this data, then filter is very good option to apply it in Excel to get this data. So for that, you just need to select any one of the cell from top row, go to data and click on filter like this. And there are downward directed options popped up. Like let's say I just want information for boss named Sanjay. So like this, there are five telecallers who are working under Sanjay, and you can see they have made this number of calls respectively, and these numbers of leads they have made out of these calls. So this kind of specific information you can have it by using filter options in Excel. But I am using a little different method that I can show it to you. I'm just deselecting the filter option. I am first converting this data into table form. Okay, so for that I'm just selecting one of the cell, some random cell from this data, going to insert tab and converting to table format. Like, where is the data for your table? Okay, this data is I'm talking about, and it's asking me where is the data. Okay, so you can see the dotted lines are moving, so the data is selected correctly. My table has a header. Of course, my table has a header, so I have selected that too, and just clicking on OK. So now this normal data converted to table form, and now you can have a look like the filter options popped up automatically. You can filter anything, like if I want to filter the data from Amit, just select Amit and click on OK. Now you can have a data like under Amit, three telecallers are working and their number of calls and the leads. Okay, I'm using this method because it's very convenient. Like if you want to add another column, it can merge into this table automatically. Like let's say I want to add follow-up table, follow-up column, and just press enter. Now see this column is merged into this table automatically, and it has a filter options too. Now let's say 2, 3, 1. So now what I am going to explain you like follow up. What is meant by follow up? Like Ashwini has taken 101 calls. Out of 101, three customers are ready to buy her product, and two customers are ready to buy her product, but after 1 year. So this comes under follow up category. So now you want to look like how many customers are in follow up and who is the telecaller. Like two customers are in follow up, and who is the telecaller for that. Just select the two and click on OK.